I slipped on the water in the bathroom, and I went down and cracked 4 ribs, and it punctured my right lung. And they removed 1.5 liters of blood. Without that, I would have not made it. There was thoracic surgery by heart doctor. So, saved my life, actually. I went home after it happened because my husband was dying, and he had died, and I didn't know how bad the injury was. So I went home, and I couldn't breathe. And during the night, I was saying to my daughter, I said, man, I can't breathe. I must be having a heart attack. And she said, oh, I don't think so, Mom. She's a nurse. So she hustled me down to the hospital down here, or actually at Proctor, and then they transported me by ambulance down to Methodist. And they did the life-saving surgery because she's not a heart attack. She says, I think you probably injured yourself worse than, you know. She knew. She'd been a nurse for 30-some years, so she'd seen it, you know. He was a referral from my other lawyer who did my wills and things, yeah. It's David Cover, the attorney. My son and daughter called Dave, and Dave said, yeah, I think you need to pursue this. And so he introduced us to Jim LaFonte. He did an excellent job, Jim did. He was very caring, you know, just took it personally, actually. Like I was the only person he ever was working with. I was the center of attention. I mean, he paid 100%, you know, and listened, and he decided, yeah, we had a case, you know. He really listens to you. Oh, they kept me completely informed on everything. He did investigations. He had somebody come in and investigate where it happened, and went before the judge 2 times. Yeah, no, he and his staff, Jim and his staff really did a super good job. With the staff, oh my gosh, they're awesome. They just called me, informed me, you know, and let me know everything that was going on. And his assistant is Shane, I think. Yeah, called me, anything that happened, they informed me 100% of the time. Jim is I just feel like I was the only person. I mean, he really takes good care of you. He covers all the bases. He tells you what, you know, he doesn't tell you what to say. It's just all natural with him. It's just like sitting and talking to your husband across, you know, say such and such. It's just easy to communicate things to him, and he understands, I think, is a big part. I think he really feels, you know. Go with Jim LaFonte because he treats you like you're his only client. I mean, you get 100% of the care. So I would highly recommend him, yeah.